We're back at it again today with Lasfit, with an upgrade for your Silverado that is totally necessary and satisfyingly impressive.
Why?
What's up, you guys? Aloha and welcome back to paradise. My little piece of paradise, the Lone Star Hawaiian Garage. We are back again this morning for a 2020 Trail Boss modification. Yes, it does in fact fit for 19 all the way up to 21 on the Silverados, something that's super necessary for this truck. I've been working with Lasfit for years. My 07 Silverado here is completely outfitted with Lasfit products, has been for the last 3 years, and I would not be parting with a company like this if I did not believe in their products. Now, something exciting about today is we're giving away a bunch of free stuff in partnership with these guys. But what's exciting about this morning, if you can't tell my excitement, we're going to our first Cars and Coffee in over a year. Yes, my wife's gonna be hopping in the Big Z, Z71 Trail Boss, and I'm hopping in the new black tie ZL1. Heading to Cars and Coffee. Let's check this out and we'll be back in just a second to install some amazing Lasfit LED parts for the new Silverado. Let's go. If you remember, we had a horrible snowstorm about 2.5 weeks ago, so there are now just potholes on potholes everywhere. Whatever happened with that, the roads did not like it, but that truck looks so good. All right, guys, that was an absolute blast, but it's finally time to get into the Lasfit install for my 2020 Trail Boss. We have a lot of LEDs on the front of this truck. The headlamps, we have our LED daytime running light, fog lamps, and aftermarket we have LED, the 10-inch lights here in my grille. But for some reason, Chevrolet decided once again to use halogen bulbs on the blinker. And to be honest, it looks so sad. All of this is so aggressive. All of this is in your face, quick, going. And then the turn signals are just kind of like, wah. So fortunately, that is going to be fixed today. It's an easy install, plug and play system. There's a built-in resistor on the light, which will take care of any hyper flash. So go and get this thing installed. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2020 Silverado Trail Boss. This is an LT model, so you do have some of the bells and whistles of the higher trim model truck, which is a lot of LEDs all around the truck. As you saw earlier, the headlights, the daytime running light, the fog lamp, those are all LEDs. And modifications so far, we've already done the LED reverse lights from Lasfit. We've also done the license plate light as well. This makes the whole rear end look so much more modern. So once and for all, we are saying goodbye to these ugly turn signals to really modernize this front end all the way. So I'm happy to say, most importantly today, we have from Lasfit a really big sticker. But along with the big sticker, we actually got some new LEDs that are going to replace those filament bulbs there. Now, part number, this is the 7440A or the T7440. There's essentially 3 T15 screws you're gonna remove. You're gonna pull back this liner, and then everything is accessible right there from the inside. You're gonna twist, pull it out, plug these new ones in, and we're gonna see how much brighter and quicker these LEDs are, which should have been in this truck from the beginning. And disclaimer, I think I've been saying the name Lasfit wrong for 3 years now. I think it's Lasfit, but regardless, Lasfit. A is off, always. And as you see, all you really need is very basic tools. So here we have our T15 Torx bit. Grab myself a wrench, and we're good to go. Once you pull those T15 screws out, you're gonna simply pull the panel back just a little bit just to slip your arm in there. I can't fit the camera in here, but it's extremely easy to find where that bulb is in the back side. I'll show you here in a second. But we're gonna find the back side. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise. It's gonna click, pull it straight out. And then as simple as that, you have your stock bulb, which we're saying goodbye to. As you can see, there's no wires, no plugs, but basically Chevrolet has really integrated this into simply being a plug. Turn and you're good to go. Serviceability is 10 out of 10. This is really easy to service. But we're gonna be replacing this old bulb with Lasfit's new LED. This is gonna be a world of a difference. This one I'm throwing away, so I don't really care, so I can grab it and pull it off the hands, plug that in, and you're ready to go. There's no science behind it. It is that easy. The installation of this is just as easy as the removal. I can't see into the fender liner, so I'm just gonna stick my arm in there, line it up from the front because I can see where that hole is, get the light put right in the hole, and I'm gonna slide that housing around. And it sets in, turn it clockwise just a little bit, and it locks in place. It's that easy. Now, in real time, we're gonna take a look here in 3, 2, 1. And nothing. I was kind of hoping this would happen. So this happened actually with the reverse lights when I did it. Actually, the polarities get swapped sometimes. I'm not sure if swapped is the right word. So what we're gonna do is pull that right out, flip the light 180, and then put it right back in, and it'll work just fine. Kind of glad it happened that way so you can see and you don't freak out when it doesn't work, because these are in fact set to go one way. I don't know which way it goes before I put it in, so just try to get in really quick. Again, all in real time. So my hand in there, counterclockwise, pull that out. Gonna pull that out, turn it 180, stick that back in. There we go. We're back in. All right, round 2. Again, all in real time. Let's check this out. Holy crap. That is a lot brighter. Look how much quicker that side goes. I'm gonna turn the hazards on, so just keep it going. Now guys, it's things like this that are an absolute no-brainer when it comes to upgrades. There's a reason everything is going LED nowadays. From a halogen side, there's nothing wrong with the filament bulb. It's just outdated. From a selfish point of view, my wife drives this truck on a daily basis. She's a phenomenal driver. But that's not necessarily the case with everybody else on the road. So when it comes to visibility and safety, the LEDs are in fact a lot more visible. So when she goes to indicate to change lanes, it is in fact safer. So for those of you that actually do use your indicator to change lanes, here you go. If you don't, aesthetically, this looks really, really cool. So overall, from an upgrade standpoint, driver's side is full LED. On the passenger side, we need to get that one pulled out, swapped over, and fortunately, it'll be just as easy as that side. So we're gonna knock that out really quickly, and then we're gonna give you details on how you can get a set of these, or a couple of them, for yourself for free. Yes, we're gonna let you know the details on the giveaway, so stay tuned. Guys, let's get to the fun part of the video, which we give away free stuff. So we're partnering up with Lasfit to give away a bunch of these LED lights to you guys. And like all my giveaways, it's absolutely free. The turnaround time is really quick. We have 7 days from the launch of this video until the giveaway is completely over. Now, I've been working with Lasfit for years now. 3 years ago, working in a little tiny 800 square foot home and a little tiny garage in Hawaii on a $10,000 pickup truck has truly blossomed to what this amazing garage is today with this awesome fleet of vehicles. But don't worry, we do still have that $10,000 pickup truck. And the reason I keep going back to Lasfit after all these years, I truly love their products. The line output's phenomenal. The longevity's been great. I haven't had one issue with anything I've installed yet to date. And every single one of my vehicles is outfitted with something from Lasfit or another. Now, in terms of this giveaway, we're giving away 5 sets of these lights for you guys, 3 of which is my favorite part from Lasfit, which is the LED reverse lights for these new Silverados. So from 2019 to 2021, these LED reverse lights have been game changing. I have a very long and poorly lit driveway, so backing up that driveway every single night, these lights come in handy big time. As you saw today, installing the LED turn signal lights here in the front end, in which we are giving away 2 sets of those to make 5 total sets. In order to enter the giveaway, we're going to follow 3 very simple steps right now together. Step number 1, we're going to scroll down and smash that like button below. And if you have not subscribed to the channel just yet, hit that subscribe button. You have to be subscribed to the channel in order to qualify for this giveaway. Scroll a little bit further down, leave me a comment below on what you want to see for this Trail Boss moving forward. What modifications do you want to see? That way I can start saving up money for those modifications. Step number 2 is going to take you to Instagram. So either follow this QR code right here or search Lone Star Hawaiian on Instagram and find this photo. In the comments of this photo, let me know what you want for your truck, whether it's the LED turn signals or the LED reverse lights. 7 days from today, we'll be contacting you through Instagram Messenger. Now, step number 3 in this process is to go visit Lasfit Auto Lighting on Instagram as well and follow them. They have been great to work with, a great partner in a lot of these videos. And again, 3 years now, I've been working with Lasfit. I absolutely love their products. I hope you guys do as well, because over 7,000 of you guys have visited Lasfit through the links I've posted in these videos. What we're gonna do now is fast forward to nighttime so you can see these LED turn signals at night, given it is midday right now. So we'll see you at night. Is it night yet? No? Okay. As you can clearly see, it's no brainer. These are so much brighter, so much quicker, so much aesthetically better than the filament bulbs that come stock on these trucks. It's surprising that they have not gone LED on the entire front end. When I turn my hazards on, when I turn my blinkers on, whatever it is, the whole rear end is LED. That flashing right there is an LED light. The brake lights are LED. Everything is LED in the back. In the front, the majority is LED, besides those blinkers there. Now, one disclaimer on this product. If you are a first responder, construction, you use your hazards on a daily basis for extended amounts of time. Now, these lights are actually pretty intuitive on the technology side. They have built-in resistors, so 1, you will not get hyperflash, and 2, if they do get too hot, what will happen is they actually reduce the amount of time it blinks. So as you can see there, it's blinking a little bit quicker than it was before. That's because I've had these on for like 20 minutes now trying to film stuff for you guys. So if you are these for extended periods of time, that's just one thing to be aware of. They work completely fine, but the blink is a little bit quicker as they get hotter and hotter. I wanted to show this to you guys. I've had these on for a little bit now. This truck looks so sick. I love this truck. Woo, let's go, baby. All right, guys, back here in Paradise to close this thing out. It's obvious. I love Lasfit, love their products. Every single one of my vehicles is outfitted with their stuff. In terms of our giveaway today, it goes live now. We have 7 days for this giveaway. The quicker you enter and act, the higher likelihood you are to win. And on that note, this isn't the last giveaway we're doing. So if you haven't already, hit that little notification bell by the subscribe button. Please hit that notification bell so you're alerted when new videos drop. Again, the quicker you act on these free giveaways, the higher likelihood you are to win. So again, if you have not done that, Definitely do this so you don't miss out on any future giveaways. In terms of this one, 3 simple steps. Number 1, scroll right down, smash that like button, and make sure you are subscribed in order to qualify. While you're down there, let me know what you want to see for the Trail Boss moving forward. What modifications should I be saving up for? Step number 2, here is that QR code one more time. Head over to Instagram and find this photo and leave a comment on that photo on what you want for your truck. Do you want the reverse lights? Do you want the turn signal lights? There in the comments. And step number 3, go follow Lasfit Auto Lining as well on Instagram. I want to thank you again for all the support on the channel. Truly is a dream of mine to have something like this with vehicles that still I am in disbelief that I own. So with that all said, we're gonna let you guys go. Mahalo nui loa for all the support. Until next time, as always, y'all take care and aloha.